S2, Cadet Major Jomar Vargas S3, Cadet Major Stephen D. Paul S4, Major Leader, Cadet Mary Hasmin Malanyaon, DBC Band Leader, Cadet Milhen Malanyaon, Company Commander, Cadet Captain Simon Aris Rosin, Company EXO, Cadet First Lieutenant Vincent Plantado, First Platoon Leader, Boys, Cadet First Lieutenant Sunny Boy Serrano, Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Cadet Jessica May Magtibay, School Head Dante R. Santelices, Cadet Homer B. Celeste, DBC DLC Band Trainer Evangeline A. Saison, Major Trainer Janet M. Flores. Entry number 76, Naga City School of Arts and Trade, Sabang, Naga City. Thank you. Entry number 76, Naga City School of Arts and Trade, Sabang, Naga City. Next entry, entry number 77, Moises D. Fernandez Senior Pioneer High School, Presentacion, Camarines Sur, Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Pico Silos, Corps Commander, Cadet Major Mark Ivan Alfor, S1, Cadet Major Hanvi Hapa, S2, Cadet Major Anthony Culiano, S3, Cadet Major Leonila Castor, S4, Cadet Major Romeo Culipano, S5, Major Leader, Cadet Captain Gigi Pisimo, DVC Band Leader, Cadet Captain Elijah Ezra Batoriano.